Hey there, are you a data analyst looking for a way to get Minitab installed for free? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up on your machine and unlock your statistical workspace without any hassle. Let's get to it. To kick things off, visit our website and download the installer. Once you open the setup file, it will automatically handle the rest, pulling down the core dependencies and essential components for the analytics suite. Now, let's move on to the final step of installing the additional components. To do this, simply accept the license agreement and select your preferred download path. Just keep in mind that setting up the analytical workspace might take a little while. Now, let's open up the application and test out its features. We'll fire up the main interface to explore the layout and see how the built-in statistical toolsets handle our data sheets. Make sure to visit our website to grab your download link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.